Welcome to the Stable Diffusion tutorial. So what is Stable Diffusion? Stable Diffusion is an AI algorithm that is able to process text into image. What you see right now is the web interface that we will use to interact with Stable Diffusion. This is called Automatic 1111. This interface lets us interact with the algorithm in an easy way. In the next videos, I will show you how to install Stable Diffusion so that you can get access to this web interface. I will show you how to add different models for free to Stable Diffusion so that you can produce high-quality, realistic images, such as this one. How to write efficient prompts and how to use negative prompts to correct mistakes in images. I will also explain how to set up Stable Diffusion using these generation settings so that you feel confident navigating this web interface. Stable Diffusion is a necessary tool for everyone that wants to manage an AI influencer. It gives you a lot of variety and a lot of flexibility in terms of what you can create. So let's get into it. In the next video, I will show you how you can install it.